Guys, I'm XBojack3. Today I'll be showing you guys a review on a rapid fire rifle. So let's take a look at the stats. The efficiency is 16, fire rate 98, capacity 65, mobility 100. It is a grade of uncommon. It is automatic, silent, not really. It has a 4x zoom. This gun is great when using it in silent school, but always have another attachment to keep the gun, more balanced, like the Burning Tundra, and also the leader drums. It will increase your damage a lot. So let's get right into the game. Without further ado, let's get right into the gameplay or overview. So, main map to join is Silent School, Pool Party, maybe Nuclear City. You can maybe camp. Paradise Resort, you can camp there. Toy Factory, especially Toy Factory, you can camp there. What else? Maybe Ants Life. First off, when we go to Silent School, this is a great map. Yeah, this is a great map for this gun. I recommend joining this map first when using this gun. You'll maybe get like 11 kills or 20. It's a rare chance you get a 20. Like, people that use the Ghost Lantern, you won't get much. They'll just spam that damn gun across the damn hallway. Or they have a one-shot, one-kill gun like the anti-hero rifle. In a prototype, it would just shoot you on one-shot, one-kill in the head. Recommend you watch out for that. Oh, plus, any close-range gun will kill you so fast. Yeah, you didn't really stand a chance. Man, you suck, man. I was talking about standing here. He didn't stand a chance. Yeah. Area damage noob. I really hate area damage guns. They suck. They don't give you more balanced skill than using an Well, this guy decided to be a pussy and used a mech. Didn't take that much bullets to kill him. Oh, when people use the laser bouncer, you will die really fast. It is a great gun to use in this map. Because of the ricochet, it bounces. So it's making the game lag. There's too many people? No, there's not too many people. I don't understand why the game lagging so much. There's not so much. There's not much people here. Well, those two didn't stand a chance. Well, I got the last kill. Let's see how many kills we got with this gun. Like I said, I ain't close to ain't get close to 10 or 11. Lag. I'm just gonna exit. There's too much lag here. I don't understand why the lag is fucking real. There's maybe gonna be a pop-up. Thank God, man. Well, right when I said it, I jinxed it. Fuck your damn building. Fuck your damn phone. Fuck your damn castle. Fuck this nigga face. Right, thank you. Thanks for interrupting. Alright, let's go to Toy Factory. Oh, wow. Recommended for this map. That's not recommended. That pistol is not recommended for this map. Alright, here we go. Well then, great start. We're losing. I was talking about camping right here. You didn't really stand a chance. Pet dragon noob. He's gonna fall for it. He decided to be a pussy and use that. Fucking pussies. Fuck it. Fuck you. You wanna be like that? Be like that. You see how this guy acting, right? Moving around so much. He's like, oh my god, no, they can't catch me. They can't see me. And nigga, chill his ass now. Oh my god, dude. Look at them. Look at them. They too pro. They too pro. Nope. Sorry, bro. Get up. You shit. Didn't take that many shots to kill him. Yeah, they will attempt to take you off guard. Like, walk across here. I'm going to show you guys. They walk across here to take you off guard. Oh, damn, pussy. Be like that. Mech is too damn OP. Well, like I said, prototype, man. Always watch out for that. Especially a laser bouncer. That's when it kills the tick. Kill them quickly. Oh, compare this gun to the Hellraiser. The Hellraiser will maybe win. The fire rate with this gun, I put it like a 100. It is really fast. Very fast. Like the, what is it? The crystal laser cannon. In comparison, the crystal laser cannon, it's exactly like the rapid fire rifle. Then you bitch. Stop using that damn gun. Yeah, I got the last kill right there. Didn't get much. People were standing in front of me too much. Fucking laser bouncer bitch. He's attempting to walk through here, I know. Yeah, he's camping. Get your fat ass down, nigga. Just too much camping. I should have had that kill. I really should have had that kill. Oh, just doomed myself. Thankfully, he didn't get me. Yeah, he just took my kill. Well, he must be lagging. What the hell's going on? Yeah, he's close. He's way too close here. Well then, not really getting much kills. How many people on the level? Only 3. Yeah, we're really not. I'm not really getting much. Saw that? That's what you can do to finish him off quicker. Yeah, he tried to do that because he didn't want to die. Interruption. Let's get right back into this. Okay, then just restart me like that. Now we're on a loser team. That's good. But they take your kills so much, man. It's getting really annoying. Always be 100% accurate. They will take your kills a lot. That's why I hate being on team deathmatch. It's shit, man. They stay taking your kills. Like this pussy here. Yeah, like he don't wanna. Yeah, like he don't wanna die. Yeah, he's spamming a lot, man. He don't wanna fucking die. That's why I got last kill, bitch. Hope you guys like the review. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, I will be doing a review on the laser bouncer soon. I just have to upgrade it. Don't get me wrong, it's still good at this level. It's one shot, one kill to the head. So see you guys later.